Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. Check this out. Isn't it cool? I like how that butterfly. Well, this is from Helenloves 2Create, and last week it was her birthday. She had birthday bingo, and I won. So I want to try to save that butterfly, so I'm going to kind of go right on the edge of the package a little bit. Okay. Hopefully I didn't cut nothing. All right. Here we go. The little note says, "Hello, thank you for joining my bingo birthday event. Please enjoy your winnings. Be blessed. March 16, 2020. March 16, 2022, Helenloves 2Create." Awesome. Little note. I'm going to stick that in my book. So, I got some double-sided tags. Them are cool. Oh, and they come with a little string. So you got a red, a pink. Oh, on this side it's like a design like a cool. And then so that's cool. And then this one is pink, like an orange tone, and then a yellow. So that's how they look that way. And then look like that way. That's cool. Okay. I'm just going to take everything out. I don't want her address to be shown. Okay. I want to say that butterfly. And then I got two little ephemeral postcards. Them are cool. And we got some little sticky notes. So we got little flags, little stop sign. Look at that. Them are cute. And then also, oh, we got a couple envelopes. Oh, look at this. Happy birthday to you. Awesome. And then we got the little card. Oh, that's what the envelopes are. Here, I thought they were long. I didn't realize it. Sorry. It's been a long 3 days for me, guys. I mean, it's been a long 2 weeks, but the last 3 days have been long. Look at them pretty birds. They're so pretty. Them can be folded with the envelopes. Okay. And then we got this one. It's a sticky heart, sticky note with and a pen. That's pretty cute. So that was my bingo winnings. And then, I think this is right. Oh, she's so sweet. Look at, this is Happy Birthday, Tina. She gave me Alice. Oh, Helen. And I bet you this from them too. Oh, happy birthday to you. Didn't even dawn on me. Oh my God, Helen, thank you so much. I love her. I will cherish her because I love Alice in Wonderland. And of course, my granddaughter's name is Allison. And she goes by Allie or Alice. So get that. And then she found, I bought these, just so you know. But they're not my winnings. I'm going to show them. Van Gogh playing cards, and she said she was selling them, and I asked Dawn to have her put 6 aside for me. I know she has a sale tomorrow. I just don't remember the time right now. Let's see. Let me see. I will have Helen's channel also linked in the description. Let's see. Helenloves 2Create. Let's see. 2 p.m. I want to say that's Central Standard Time. So yeah, 2 p.m. So that's, yep. So 2 p.m. tomorrow. I will link actually her sale video to this video, so you guys can go over and check out Helen Loves to Create. And if you don't know who Helen is, tell her I sent you over there. But she is having a sale tomorrow. But she was showing these 2 weeks ago. And I'm like, matter of fact, I couldn't comment. So Dawn said, Tina wants 6 of them. I'm going to use them as bookmarkets. But they're Van Gogh playing cards. So that's pretty cool. So that's awesome. So thank you so much, Helen. Oh, thank you for the wonderful gift. I love it. That's so cool. Thank you so much. Like I said, I will have the Helen's channel linked in the description box. Helen loves. I always want to say loves. Yeah, but it's Helen Loves to Create because it's Helen's and Hearts to Create. So, and channel in the description box. So please go over, give her some YouTube loving, tell her I sent you, and thank you for the prizes. This was awesome, and a little gift. I have her banner done because she also has a challenge going on also. So, and you have to do a banner. I'll show you mine. I'm going to get it out sometime this week. This is her banner. She wants you to do a banner, your choice, and then your information on the back. Of course, I did Van Gogh. I thought it was cool. So, I got to get that sent out. Like I said, it's been one of those weeks. So, I will talk to you all later. As always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.